So, plans got canceled. Now, we have to decide what to do. We've been to like every store out there, so I don't know. Jamie, do you have any suggestions?
I say we do something crazy.
She had a hiccup in the middle of her video, so she's gonna take a break.